We got Puffin exerting her dominance over her nieces and nephews. It's like she wants to play with them but doesn't like to put up with them a lot of times. Attack, Mittens. Attack. Hello. Puffin, you're too mean. They're just little kids. I guess it's part of the pecking order. All right, say bye-bye.